Imagine working 100 hours a week, not for a month, not for a year, but for decades. Imagine risking everything you own, sleeping on the floor of your office, eating the cheapest meals, all while building companies worth billions. Sounds impossible? For Elon Musk, it's just Tuesday. Today, we dive deep into the extraordinary work ethic of Elon Musk and uncover 5 powerful lessons you can use to reach your own success. Elon Musk was born in Pretoria, South Africa in 1971. A quiet child, often lost in thought, obsessed with science fiction and engineering. At just 12 years old, he sold his first video game, Blaster. Years later, he moved to North America, studied at 2 universities, and dropped out of Stanford after only 2 days. Why? Because the internet boom had arrived. And Elon knew opportunity doesn't wait. He co-founded Zip2, sold it for $307 million, then started X.com, which became PayPal, sold to eBay for $1.5 billion, and instead of retiring to an island, Elon risked almost all of it to build SpaceX and Tesla, 2 companies experts said would fail. They didn't. They changed the world. Lesson 1. Outwork everyone around you. Musk is famous for working 80, sometimes 100 hours, every single week. His philosophy is simple. If others work 40 hours and you work 100, you'll accomplish in 4 months what they do in a year. During Tesla's early days, Elon didn't just manage from an office. He slept in the factory. At 2 a.m., employees would see him on the production floor, checking machines, solving problems. You don't have to work 100 hours forever, but when your dream is on the line, extraordinary effort creates extraordinary results. Lesson 2. Be willing to risk everything. After selling PayPal, Musk had $180 million. He put $100 million into SpaceX, $70 million into Tesla, $10 million into Solar City. That left him nothing. In 2008, both companies were on the brink of collapse. Elon had to borrow money just to pay his rent, but he didn't quit because he believed in the mission. If your dream matters to you, you have to be willing to risk comfort to gain greatness. Lesson 3. Learn faster than anyone else. Elon Musk has no degree in rocket science. Yet, he runs SpaceX. How? By reading textbooks, talking to experts, and asking endless questions. He breaks problems into first principles, the basic truths, and builds solutions from there. You don't need to know everything before you start, but you must be willing to learn relentlessly and adapt quickly. Lesson 4. Focus on what truly matters. When Tesla faced a production crisis, Musk didn't hide in meetings. He went straight to the factory floor. He found the bottlenecks, fixed machines, made real-time decisions. His advice: focus on signal over noise. Don't waste time on things that don't actually make the product better. Success isn't about being busy. It's about being effective. Lesson 5. Push beyond your limits. Elon's life is filled with moments of pushing past exhaustion, sleeping in the office, flying between multiple companies in one day, test driving cars himself to find flaws. Growth happens when you go beyond your comfort zone, and Elon lives outside that zone. Comfort is the enemy of greatness. Push yourself just a little more every day. Elon Musk's story isn't about luck. It's about relentless effort. It's about risking it all. It's about learning faster, focusing deeper, and pushing further than anyone else. You may not want to work 100 hours a week. You may never build rockets or electric cars. But if you apply even one of these lessons, outwork others, take smart risks, learn fast, focus deeply, and push your limits, you'll be far ahead of most people. The real question is, are you willing to pay the price your dream demands?